I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life.
Before saying the importance of green tea, first let's see how it is made. Green tea leaves are harvested from their origin plant. Then they are heated and then dried. They are prevented from oxidation. When allowed to oxidize completely, that becomes black tea. Black teas are then heated and dried. Actually, it's said that drinking green tea reduces your weight, but really drinking it is hard. So here we are going to try facial application of green teas. If you are someone who is able to drink it, do drink it. Some benefits of green tea are they have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties with which we can deal acne, premature aging, and it can serve many other skin problems. Green tea purifies your skin, protects your skin from UV issues, it protects you from cancer, decreases inflammation, reduces excess sebum, prevents aging. So, looking at all its possible benefits, what I thought was, let's do a 7 days challenge of DIY green tea packs. So we are going to do packs, face packs with green tea. So from today, for 7 days we are going to do it, targeting various issues like acne, oily skin, dry skin, etc, etc. Do keep a track with us. Bye bye, catch you next video. Do subscribe to us.